Okay, I have to fix also this wheel. All right, so now I can take the marker. I'm using the Copic markers, okay? So this is cool gray markers, okay? So first one, I use a number nine for the glass. Because I start always from the dark shadow parts with marker. And then I move with a light, like a number 2 or a number 1 gray, and I start doing the body. Now I use a darker, a number 4. You see those little things that I do? Those are nice. Okay, so I've decided that my LED will be here. So what do you think? Okay, now I'll take the dark blue again, and I have to clean up some lines, but that's normal. Oops. You see? Now I'll put the... I just need to do one thing because there is too much white here. So I want to, you see, I want to create an effect of shading so that we have only one real white spot. All right, so now I'll take a little bit of white and this will be finished. It's a little bit too cold, to be honest. I think we need some warm light. So I use this cream to give a warm reflection here. Just a little, you know, we don't need much. Can you feel that yellowish color? It's a little better. You see? No, it looks somehow warm, human. Before it's just a little too cold. And then I need a sort of a violet, which I have it, to do this part in the back. All right, so this is just an example. Now, of course, you have to use your creativity. I want you to use your creativity. Okay, good, great. Thank you very much. Take care. Bye.